Here in Mexico, we heard the ballad of Don Gato.
A ballad is a song that tells a story.
Listen to the surprise ending of Don Gato the cat. Oh, Senor Don Gato was a cat on a high roof. Don Gato sat. He went there to read a letter. Meow, meow, meow. Where the reading light was better. Meow, meow, meow. 'Twas a love note for Don Gato. I adore you, wrote the lady cat, who was fluffy, white, and nice and fat. There was not a sweeter kitty, meow, 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 in the country or the city, meow, meow, meow. And she said she wed Don Gato. Oh, Don Gato jumped so happily, he fell off the roof and broke his knee, broke his ribs and all his whiskers, meow, 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 and his little solar plexus, meow, meow, meow. Ay, caramba, cried Don Gato. Then the doctors all came on the run, just to see if something could be done. And they held a consultation, meow, 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 about how to save their patient, meow, meow, meow. How to save Senor Don Gato. But in spite